What's poppin'?
Hey Justies gang, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new, then hey.
Welcome to our channel.
Yes, welcome. If you're wondering why I look like this today, it's because this is my bed head.
Yeah man, the African bush baby, that's what they call her.
That's what you call me.
So it's like a big African bush. But, jeez.
So today, Tristan is going to be installing my Wow Africa wig. Aren't you, babe?
Jeez, yes man. Yo,
First time?
No, the first time.
Yep.
I've done wigs for Nicki Minaj, all them man.
Okay then.
Cardi, Nicki, did it all them.
So in the bag you get this cute little bag, in the box you get this cute little bag which your wig comes in.
You even get a free comb.
So this is the wig that I got from WowAfrican. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, it's cool, you know, you even get a Speedo cap.
It's a wig cap. It's already been bleached, so it goes.
Why has it been bleached?
So like they bleach the knots underneath. See how that's been bleached?
Mm.
They're bleached. That's that when it goes on my skin.
Oh, it matches.
It matches my skin tone. See?
I think it needs a bit darker though, doesn't it? Oh, actually, no, a little bit darker in it.
I could put a little bit of makeup on it. I'm going to put all the info for the wig in the description box down below, so make sure you go and have a look.
Yeah, mine.
Okay, so babe, the first thing that I do before I put my wig in is I put my hair into plaits. Do you remember how I put my hair into plaits?
I don't know how to do that, you know. So you have like, let's put on that. So you have like two, don't you? And then you've got like a middle piece and like you're putting them through in it, like different loops.
Yeah, so first
so
of
hard,
all,
you know.
you need to part in my hair like down the centre.
Like this.
Like down the centre so that you can do the two.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll try to go gentle, but you've got that nappy hair.
My hair is not nappy, you're so rude.
Right here.
Like, so you get the comb, let me help you though.
Yeah.
So you get the comb
Yeah.
and go all the way down the middle, and then see, you can pull that.
Oh, gee, that's mental, that.
See that?
That's mental. A secret passage.
I'll tie this bit up for you. And then this bit, you need to plait this bit.
Right, so what did you just do then?
Where?
So I'm doing the three in it. So I'll have one here, and then I'll have one there, and I'll have one here. So like, there's three in it.
Yeah.
Right, and then how am I doing it? So I go one, that, like that.
I don't know what you're doing.
Let's try this. What do I do in the middle bit?
Shall I show you how to plait?
Yeah.
Right, so you get your three pieces.
This is impossible.
You get your three pieces like that. And you take this outside piece into the middle. So that's one's now in the middle, see? And then outside
Wait, start from scratch.
Okay. So the outside piece
Yeah.
you take and put it, so you've got these two pieces, and you put that one into the middle
Oh yeah.
of those two. See, now that's the middle one. Then you take the outside one and bring it into the middle of those two. Outside one into the middle.
So, we'll just break it down into three pieces. A nice bit of stranded hair there. Whoa. So, into the middle.
Then this side into the middle. Then this
But
side.
how do you keep hold of all this hair? Into the middle. Oh wait there.
Then this side into the middle.
Yeah, I'm doing bits. Chill. Into the middle. Look. Please just face the camera a little bit so they can see that. I feel like they can't see it properly.
I'll zoom in, babe. You got that, babe?
Yeah. Right, done. Perfect that.
Right, so now can you see all this excess
Yes, excess netting.
netting that's on there? So we need to, shall I show you how to do it?
I know how to do it.
Right, okay, yeah, cool.
So you just really need to cut round there.
A little bit further.
Right up to the hairline there. Don't worry. A bit more actually.
No, that's fine. Just cut across now. Don't cut the hairs.
What are you doing?
You're cutting the hairs?
Shut up, man. Don't disrupt my flow.
You just need to cut it straight.
Stop. Is it me doing this or you?
You need to cut it straight. I'm telling you what to do, straight.
What? Oh.
No, you can't do that. You need to cut.
Put head on now.
Oh, babe.
What?
Yeah, no, yeah, okay.
You're gonna kill me for ruining this wig, innit?
Yeah. You're not cutting this. Look at all.
What
these,
do you mean?
Look at all these hairs that are falling out.
You didn't need them anyway. Excess hairs. I once did a Theresa May's wig. Slide on. I did it for her.
Theresa May.
Mm. You didn't know I did the Queen's hair.
Wigs.
Yeah, Theresa May.
Theresa May is not the Queen.
Of course she is.
Right.
She's the next Queen though in line, isn't it?
Is she?
A full lace cap with a bleached frontal. Yeah, I'm very familiar with these, to be fair. They also come with the great bra strap sizing in case you've got like a massive head or a small head. So this ranges from little pip head to normal head to chubby head to enormous bean head. In this case, we're dealing with an enormous bean head. So, throw the cap on.
Right, which I'm going to add something onto this as well.
Okay.
Like, you can actually take them off as well, which I think is fab, and wash them, because sometimes they can get a little bit dirty at the back of your head.
You think?
But I really like this because I've never seen one like this with like the bra strap sort of design on it.
Oh really? You need to?
Think, yeah, really
I've
good.
dealt with many of them.
This has to go at the front of my head first,
Right.
then I'm going to hold it, and then you can pull this and this to the back.
Right, cool.
Okay?
Go on then.
Right. No.
What are you doing?
You have to let me hold it at the front.
Oh god.
God. Look at this. Look at this. What have you done to my
I tried
body?
helping. You said grab it as soon as you put it at the front.
Right.
Okay.
I've put.
Right, tell me when then.
Okay, now you can pull them back.
Right, so I put that there, and then I just.
You need to pull that elastic all the way to the back.
Oh, okay, sorry. Under the plaits.
Yeah. Ow! Ow!
What?
You hurting me?
I'm not touching you.
Have you pulled them under the plaits?
Not fully.
Ow!
Don't blame me. Wait there.
Babe!
Alright, babe, I'm trying.
Oh my god, you're ragging my hair out.
Hey,
No, the plaits.
it hurts to look good, okay?
Babe, you've pulled all the plaits out. They need
for
to be
God's
gripped
sake.
up.
Right, let me try them again then.
You need to grip the plaits up.
I'll just put a grip on them. Right, go on then. Wait there, stop.
Grip one there.
Pass me another.
Oh, there's none. Alright.
There's one here, there's one here. Boom. What do you say?
Grip that there.
Stop, let me work. Do you know what? I wish that these could actually see behind it what I'm doing, like it's like a GoPro sort of thing. What I'm seeing right now.
Right.
Madness. Right, stop! You're doing it for me!
Because you're awful.
Are you mad? I've done this plenty of times. It's just your head shape, man. I can't deal with fathead syndrome. Right, so. Hey, and look what I've done now. Jeez! Oh, yeah, I've done bits, haven't I? Look at that. Hey, zoom in on your head right now. No netting to be seen because of these hands. Precise.
Okay, so I've extended my parting a little bit longer because I do like the parting home to about here, but I like a longer parting.
Yeah.
So baby, this is where you put the water on. Don't tip it all on my head.
Okay.
Because I don't want to be soaked. Seriously now, because my makeup on.
Okay.
So No, don't tip it on like that because you're gonna get it all on my face. Do you know to put a do-rag on?
I'm not familiar.
That's like in line with my parting.
Alright.
So.
Oh, so that's the top of it.
Yeah.
Right, and then I just tie it round.
Bring it round to the front.
Yeah, alright, like that.
Yeah. And then back round.
Back round.
To the back.
Yeah, and tie it.
Yeah.
The greatest.
Is that tight as it can be?
What?
Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah.
Is that tight?
That's fine, yeah.
Is that the spot? Yeah. 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 Boom.
Boom.
Do-rag gang. At the start, yeah, she started off as Snoop Dogg with that bush head. Then she went to Aaliyah, and now she's gone to Tupac. Do-rag gang gang gang. Alien.
You look a very good hairdresser.
Do not mock my work.
Don't put it close like that.
It's right. What are you doing?
You can't put it directly on my head. It's going to burn my head.
Oh, I didn't think it was that hot. Is it not burning you then, Aaliyah?
It was really hot.
I put a hole in the do-rag.
Have you? Where?
At the top there.
What?
I burnt a hole in the do-rag. At the top. What? Boom! Mission complete. Now what happens now?
You happy with your wig?
I'm happy with my work, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Right, now you owe me £100. Thank you, thank you.
Tris fitting my
Black. Wow, Africa wig. It was actually a full laced frontal wig with a bleached front.
Okay, so that was Tristan.
That was me fitting a full frontal laced wig with a bleached frontal. Is that right?
Yeah.
Hey.
And do you want to just feel and comment on
How it feels?
the hair and what you think about
Africa?
Wow,
Africa
as
is really.
a hairdresser.
Wait. So, as a hairstylist and a hairdresser, I do think WowAfrica have took plenty of consideration into this wig. It is very, very, very beautiful. It is very wow from Africa. It feels very real. It looks very real. It's a nice wig. Don't get me wrong.
Do you like? So you're happy with this?
I'm happy with it.
I actually really, really like this wig. It's my first time having a full lace.
A full lace frontal bleach front.
What is
precise.
it? What is it, babe?
It's a. Oh, I forgot it now.
A full lace.
Full lace frontal bleached frontal. With an elastic band.
With an elastic band. So it's my first time having a full lace wig, but I actually really like it because you often can't find closures or frontals that are like as long as the bundles, whereas this is laid really nicely and it doesn't look like the frontal or the closure is too much shorter than like
I agree.
the rest of the hair.
I know exactly what you mean. Yeah.
But WowAfrica, their hair's incredible. Like, I often get asked about when I was on the show, like where I got my hair from for it, and I got it from WowAfrica.
Mad.
I'm gonna put a picture here of what my hair looked like on the show, for those of you that don't know. And they were the water wave bundles that I had, and I got those in 28 inches, and then I got a closure of that as well, and I had it weaved in.
It's got the closure. The closure is very important.
You're funny. If you liked this video, then make sure that you hit the like.
Subscribe and share.
Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.
Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's mum, tell a friend's dad, tell a friend's mum, tell a friend's dad. And if you don't, you're a waste man. Boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Hit the notification bell. Notified when we drop our videos, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, get a notification if you hit it.
You gotta hit it.
You gotta hit it, man. Go hit it. 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 Okay then. Oh.
Love, guys. Next video will be out soon. Peace.